This is Trail Rider 570. Today, I'm just going to give you a quick walk around of the accessories I've installed on my Ranger 570. And we'll get started here in a few. Bye-bye for now. Hi there, this is Trail Rider 570. It's been cold, rainy, crappy days. And I've had some people ask what I've done to my machine so far. So I'm going to give you kind of a walk around, and we'll talk about it here a little bit. Shout out to Kimimoto, of course. They helped me out a lot here, so let's get going here. First thing you'll see is I have an Apex Harbor Freight 5,500 pound winch, Badlands winch. I've installed these cube lights, and I got this light here, and that lights up trail pretty good in addition to my regular lighting. This bumper did not come with this. I ordered the bumper up. I've installed Super ATV high ground clearance forward offset arms on it, as well as, I don't know if you can see it or not up there, I put a lift kit on it. It's a 2-inch lift kit, but it ended up being a little over 3 inches. It's got Sun F tires on it that were sent to me to try out. Kimimoto mirrors that I have. These do light up. I put them on a switch. They do light up and flash. I have a turn it off. I have a windshield wiper on it. This is a manual. So if anybody wants to send me a windshield wiper kit to do a review on, please do. My phone mount, of course, my camera mounts. The cab is basically pretty much the way it comes, nothing fancy in there. It's got a roof on it, of course, glass windshield, rearview mirror. Then I have a back window in it. This is a poly window. I didn't want a glass window because it takes me in and out. Then I got people help me out, Super ATV. Kimimoto doesn't have stickers, unfortunately, but Kimimoto, Polaris, and other people. I have my boxes in the back, and no, these are not mounted to it. They're mounted on a sheet of 1/4-inch plastic, so all that includes my fuel pack can lift out. It has a Polaris rear bumper. And down underneath there, I got a stinger on it to hooked into the hitch. Let's see here. Trying to think of everything. It's got an Uni air filter in it. I'm not running the stock one. And you can see the box again. And I bought this for a trail machine. It's not really a work machine. That ain't what I bought it for. I bought it to ride on the trails with me, my wife, my dog, or just generally just go for rides. I'm 67 years old. I don't need a razor. I don't need all the speed. You can see how the tires, it's got 10-inch wide tires in the back, and these are the Sun Fs, which actually run smaller diameter. They say they're 25s, but they're actually 26s that are on it. So, I haven't done really a whole lot. I have some more stuff coming. Something's coming to replace that center section. You'll just have to wait and see for that. But you can see the control arms. They push the wheels forward. So I just wanted to put this out there. Everything I've done to it since I've had it. Oh, I got bully grab handles here. Lowe's, 20 bucks. I put a set on each side, so. Not a whole lot of stuff. In the box over there, I got a tire, this box right here. I have a tire plug kit, an air compressor, a tow strap, a blanket to fit over my winch strap if I'm winching it, and that's about it in there. A tool kit and a 1/4 inch tool kit with an extension. And over here I got just a strap in here to wrap around the tree. That's about it. This will be a really short video, but trying to get some stuff out there for you guys, and sometimes short videos work. So, and it's really crappy outside. I don't know if you can see through the windows out, but it's really dark out and dreary looking today, so there's no riding. But my finger's doing well. My thumb is right there. It is. I can bend it now. You can see the scar, what's left of the scar, but it's doing well. So, and alongside the garage is where I got my trailer setting for the winter. It's all covered up. So, that being said, this is a rather short video, but there'll be some more stuff to come. I got a couple more installs to do and stuff like that. I'm going to hopefully get a ride in. And if anybody out there is a company, a supplier company, wants parts review, please feel free to contact me. The email's listed in my about section on my YouTube channel as well, so to contact me. So thanks a lot for watching this little mini, I don't know what you call it, but review or go over my Ranger. And as always, I will see you on the next one, and goodbye for now. God bless.